That ride kicked butt. That ride was good. That ride was awesome. The way they made you feel like you were actually taking off, probably how I would expect it to feel. I mean, I feel like if I was in a rocket, that's the G-forces. I didn't get sick. Very, very, very realistic. It was smooth. I really enjoyed that. Very authentic. Was really, really, really cool. They made you feel like you were taking off. Definitely. Thought it was great. Definitely would do it again. If there weren't a line, I want to do it again right now. Probably would, but there isn't too bad a line here. I don't know what's going on, but we've kind of lucked out. And it's not crowded, but it's 5 o'clock on a Saturday. That's not bad.
Okay, let's go again. Come on.
So beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Welcome to the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space exploration. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another, even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet: training. You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft, the X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now, you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position: navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. The success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom, and in a few minutes I'll give you your specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles. During your Orange Team More Intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside X-2 flight simulators that produce deep space flying conditions such as turbulence and G-forces. Those who are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. It is intense, and if you would like to opt out, just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time.
Astronaut candidates, you have selected Orange Team More Intense Training. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions to the Green Team Less Intense Training Area.
Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a mission to Mars. Teams are awaiting your arrival at the landing site here at Dallas Marineris. Your mission is to get to that landing site. Don't worry, when it's time to push the buttons, they will light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks at every crew position. Okay, Lieutenant. Any final instructions for new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your capsule. Then move all the way across, taking your crew position in the cockpit, and stow all personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down your restraint. Now listen carefully. Leaning forward, closing your eyes, or looking left or right during your flight could disorient you. So keep your head back against the headrest. Keep your eyes open at all times, and focus straight ahead, even if you start to feel disoriented. They're all yours, Capcom.
Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Mars team. You are on the clock. Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff. Perfect.
Mission Control, fire Eagle. Give us the go for launch. Eagle, Sergeant. Network, you are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Oh, wow.
You are go. At throttle up.
Commander, initiate first stage separation. Now. Computer override initiated. 0G confirmed. You're looking good, team. Pilot, engage second stage rocket. Now. Engaged. Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000. You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Now. Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep. Now. Computer override activated. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring. Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity alert. Pilot, deploy the shield. Now. Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burn.
Navigator.
What?
Computer override. Rocket fired. 200 miles to planet surface.
We've lost autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now. All hands on the control stick. Pull back. Pull back. Left. Pull left. Once again, you hold. Now right. Ease it left.
They're coming in too hot.
Back to center. Just hold it steady. Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200
Watch
feet.
the barrier.
50 feet.
Pull back.
Hang on. Down and clear. Alert. Location, canyon edge. Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay.
meant to be in the great outdoors forever.